What's up, everybody? Welcome to our channel, Kono Pro. We're going to be installing this crown molding to this outside corner of this built-in shelf unit. So if this is something you're looking to do, this is an awesome video for you. You should check it out. Hope you enjoy. If you do, remember, hit that subscribe button, like, and share this with everybody. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up, everybody? If you're doing crown molding, just to let you know, this always goes on the bottom. And then your crown detail goes up. Your small detail goes on the bottom. And if you see how it's flat on this edge, and then it has this angle and this angle, a key to know is that this sits flat against the wall. This sits flat against the ceiling, or whatever you're putting it against to create the crown. So if you see here, see that flat edge, that full flat edge? If you see how it's gonna basically, I'm mimicking what it's gonna look like when you put it up on the ceiling. It's gonna be flat on the wall like that. This is gonna be flat on the ceiling right here. So you wanna cut your 45 out. You wanna cut all your cuts in this angle, so that way everything comes out right. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's flat on the ceiling, and it's flat here on this side. Then you mark right here on the edge of where you're going, and I always mark with my angle of 45 out. And the other one is going to go right there. I'll mark my line so I know that's the bottom of the base goes right there. Bottom of the crown is right there. And you mark that. Angle. 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 Like that. And then I'm going to put it against the table like this. So see how it's flat against that table back there? And then if you look down right here, that's my line. I'm going to sneak it over. Okay, stay there. Perfect. So then we're going to take this one. I'll mark it here. We're going to mark our straight mark. Our straight mark so we can see it. Same way we did that one. And put it on there. I'm going to rotate our table. Now you can always go a little closer to this line and cut it strong, and then cut a hair off if you want. Perfect. All right. that. No. Yeah. Now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot from this section, this little square section, to the next one. So that went in to this thick part here. I'm going to go in right here. Boom. Connect it. And there it is, crown molding finished and installed. A little wood putty, some caulking, and some painting, and it's going to come out beautiful. So if you found value in this video, remember, like I ask you all, please share this video with everybody. We want to spread this knowledge to everybody that needs it out there. There's a lot of people that need to save money on doing this themselves, as well as people that are hungry to learn this information. So please share this video with everybody. And we appreciate you all for watching and taking your time, and hope you learned something from this video and you found enjoyment. Thanks for watching. Kona Pro out.